Context: why behavior exists in HPA. Normally, a horizontal pod autoscaler, HPA, watches resource metrics like CPU or memory and adjusts pod replicas automatically. But in real systems, metrics fluctuate quickly. For example, CPU spikes for a few seconds, then drops. Short-term drops might make HPA think it should scale down, but the load returns soon after. This can cause flapping, rapid up/down scaling, which wastes resources and affects stability. To prevent this, Kubernetes introduced behavior configuration, where you can fine-tune how fast scaling happens, both up and down. Behavior.scaledown.stabilization window seconds, detailed explanation. Behavior, scale down, stabilization window seconds, 30. This means, before scaling down, reducing pod replicas, HPA will wait 30 seconds after observing lower resource usage to confirm the load really decreased. How it works, internally. HPA constantly gathers metrics, CPU, memory, custom metrics. If it sees that current CPU usage is below target, for example, less than 50%, it wants to scale down. But it won't scale down immediately. Instead, it waits for the stabilization window, here, 30 seconds. During that time, it remembers the highest recommended replica count from the last 30 seconds. It only scales down once all recommendations for the last 30 seconds agree that fewer replicas are enough. So it stabilizes scaling decisions, avoiding unnecessary isolation. Why 30 seconds? It's a short, responsive window, useful for small workloads or test environments. In production, you might choose longer durations like 300s, 5 minutes, for stability. Example. Stabilization window, seconds, 300. This tells Kubernetes, wait 5 minutes of consistent low load before scaling down.